Hi guys, this is Vidhi. Welcome back to my channel. Also, a short disclaimer before we get into the actual video. These tips might be a bit too scary and a bit too much for a lot of people, and I can 100% relate to you all in that because पहले जब मेरे घर पे गुलाब जामुन आते थे तो सुबह 2 गुलाब जामुन और शाम को फिर से 2 गुलाब जामुन खाना मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. So don't think that you're alone. I have been through the same and I will guide you through it. Also, all these steps need not be taken at a time. You can take baby steps towards it, one step a day, and you are going to be there. This video is not just for people who are trying to lose weight, it is in general for all body types, all age groups. People who are looking forward to a healthy lifestyle can definitely go ahead with it. Let me take you through a few points which will really make you wonder if you really need sugar in your life. Sugar is addictive, and why? You really need to know this because sugar releases a hormone called dopamine in our body. This hormone is a feel good hormone. So, what this hormone does is it makes you feel so happy and calm at the moment that you feel like repeating your behavior. And hence, you might have observed that whenever you're sad, you feel like eating a piece of cake or chocolate. And once you've eaten it, you feel like eating one more. Coming to the severe health issues that sugar comes along with, not just diabetes and weight gain. I did lose 15 kgs because I decided to leave sugar, but sugar does come along with a lot of other issues, like it really affects your immunity, and I'm pretty sure none of us want to play with our immunity system during this pandemic. I was shocked to know that it takes about 75 grams of sugar to weaken your immunity. 75 grams is almost 5 tablespoons of sugar. If your immunity system is compromised, you are more likely to fall sick. Sugar is nothing but refined carbohydrates, and by consuming junk food and beverages that have sugar in it, you are actually playing with your immunity system. During this pandemic, it is important to keep ourselves healthy. Hence, I would request you to cut down or at least consume lesser sugar for at least a couple of months. Also, people who want acne free skin, please stop consuming sugar. Personal experience, I had lots of pimples on my face, and when I stopped consuming sugar, it has made my skin feel so glowy and dewy, and I do not have pimples anymore. I'll be making another video where I'll take you through my skincare journey, my clear skin journey. All these health issues are so interconnected. Once you stop consuming sugar and you do not get the amount of sugar you used to, I am sure you are going to feel restlessness, headaches, and low energy levels. And that's where you know that it is mere addiction. Also, quitting sugar made me lose 15 kgs of weight. If you haven't watched the video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Here are my tips on how you can actually stop consuming sugar. My first tip would be stop consuming processed and refined sugar. 80% of y'all are the ones who have tea, coffee, and milk with sugar. Initially, it is going to be a bit difficult, but it isn't impossible. One tip from my side is for 7 days, stop adding sugar to your milk, tea, and coffee. And on the 8th day, go and add sugar to your milk, tea, and coffee and taste it for yourself. You'll definitely feel like कितना मीठा हो गया है ये. But a small tip, if you have 2 tablespoons a day, cut it down to 1 and then go down to 0 tablespoons of sugar in a day. Also, you can try adding jaggery. My second tip would be stop buying things that have sugar in it. And what you can do is whenever you go to the market, do not buy anything that has sugar in it, because once you get it at home, you'll definitely have the urge and you won't be able to resist yourself, and you'll end up eating everything that has sugar in it. So a small tip, Before you buy anything from the market, please check the ingredients and please check the amount of sugar in it, because a lot of products in the market claim to be sugar free but they are actually not, and you end up eating it and it is very unhealthy. My third tip would be make fruits your best friends. Whenever you feel like having sugar, go and grab a fruit and eat it. My fourth tip would be plan your day. Once you know what you're going to do in a day, you wouldn't have extra sugar. For me, it's like whenever I go to the mall, I end up eating ice cream. So what I do is before I go to the mall, I eat something so that I'm really full and I don't end up eating ice cream. Or what I do is in a small box, I carry some dates and I eat those dates when I feel like eating ice cream at the mall. My fifth tip would be know all the healthy alternatives of sugar. I personally love having date sugar and jaggery. It really doesn't make me miss sugar anymore. But you can also go ahead and have coconut sugar, mishri powder, and many other options available in the market. My last and final tip would be try these steps for yourself for 7 days and then go ahead with 21 days. So why am I saying 21 days? Because it's psychologically proven that if you start doing something for 21 days and if you end up doing it, it eventually becomes a habit. So I'm not asking you to do all this for the rest of your life. You can actually eat cakes and consume desserts, but in a very healthy way. So how can you do that? Have it as your first meal or post your workout when your body is full of energy. Also, if you have had any kind of physical activity, come and have a biscuit or two. But just do it once or twice a month. I wouldn't suggest more than that. Also, if you really feel like having mithai or a dessert, have it as an entire meal. Like, do not have it post your lunch or your dinner. Just have it as your entire lunch. Like one piece of cake as your lunch. My favorite healthy and sugar-free recipes are banana smoothie which has date sugar in it, til ke laddu which has jaggery in it, peanut jaggery chakki, and also dark chocolate was and is my ultimate favorite. Also, thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.